Good morning, children. Today I have brought easiest trick of conversions of units without learning any formula. Dear children, can you convert 7 hectometer into meter, 6 decimeter into centimeter and 5 kilometer into millimeter without learning any formula? Dear children, you might have seen so many formulas for the conversions, but is it really good? Do you feel difficulty in learning all these formulas? Yes, but after watching this video, you will never need to learn any formula of the conversions and you can solve any questions in just seconds. So, today I will tell you a simple trick. Learn keywords. First, you have to learn a simple Hindi word. Kah dum dasam. Kah dum dasam. Kah dum dasam. Please repeat as many times you can repeat. Please repeat with me. Kah dum dasam. Kah dum dasam. You may also learn it like that. केले हैं दुकान में, दुकान से मंगाओ. केले हैं दुकान में, दुकान से मंगाओ. You can take initial alphabet of this small rhyme like Ka for K, Ha for H, Da for D, M for Ma, Da for D, Sa for C and Ma for M. After learning, you have to learn the meaning of each alphabet. Ka for kilo, Ha for hecto, Da for deca, Ma for meter, gram or liter, Da for deci, Sa for centi and Ma for milli. But you have to remember that there are two da, means first da is deca and the next da is deci. Similarly, there are two ma, means two ma are there. So first ma is for meter and second ma is for milli. Each is having the same value, that is equal to 10. Ka is 10, hecto is 10, deca is 10, meter is 10, deci is 10, centi is 10 and milli is 10. Also, this is arranged in descending order. K yani kilo is having largest value and last one ma, milli, is having least value. As you can see, middle ma may have three values, meter or gram or liter. Now we will learn how to read in different values. If you are talking about meter, then Ka for kilometer, Ha for hectometer, Da for decameter, Ma for meter, Da for decimeter, Sa for centimeter and Ma for millimeter. If you are talking about gram, then it will be Ka for kilogram, Ha for hectogram, Da for decagram, Ma for gram, Da for decigram, Sa for centigram and Ma for milligram. If we are talking about liter, means Ka for kiloliter, Ha for hectoliter, Da for decaliter, Ma for liter, Da for deciliter, Sa for centiliter and Ma for milliliter. If you have to convert any upper value from the chart to the lower value, then you have to multiply, like kilo to milli, you have to multiply. But in reverse, if you have to convert any smaller value into higher value, then you have to divide. Up to down conversions. In up to down conversions, we have to multiply the given digit by multiple of 10 with number of 0 depending on how many steps down you will go from up. Now I will teach you with some example. Example 1. You have to convert 1 kilometer into meter. Then from the given chart, you have to see from kilometer to meter, you have to come 3 steps down. Means you have to multiply by 30 means 1000. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Here you have to convert 1 kilometer into decameter. For this, you can see from the chart, you have to come down 2 steps. Means you have to multiply by 20. So answer will be 1 kilometer is equal to 100 decameter. If the question is 6 kilometer is equal to how many decameter? Then answer will be 6 kilometer is equal to 600 decameter. Example 3. Here you have to convert 1 decameter into centimeter. For this, you have to come 3 steps down. Means you have to multiply by 30. So 1 decameter will be equal to 1000 centimeter. Tell me 6 decameter is equal to how many centimeter? Yes, it is 6000 centimeter. Children, in down to up conversions, we have to divide the given digit by a multiple of 10 with number of zeros depending on how many steps up you will go from down. Let us take some example of down to up conversions. Question is 1 meter equal to how many hectometer? As you can see from the chart, for converting meter into hectometer, you have to go up from down. So you have to divide, and you are saying you have to go 2 steps up. Means you have to divide by 100. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 100 hectometer, or you can say 0.01 hectometer. Next question is you have to convert 1 meter into kilometer. For this also you can see from the chart, you have to go up from down. For meter to kilometer, you have to go 3 steps up. So you will divide it by 1000. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, or 0.001 kilometer. Let us take another example. Here you have to convert millimeter, which is a smaller unit, into meter, which is a bigger unit. For this conversion, you have to go from millimeter to meter. Means 3 steps up. Means you have to divide it by 1000 with 3 zeros. So answer will be 5 millimeter is equal to 5 by 1000 meter, or you can say 0.005 meter. Now you have to convert decimeter into decameter. For this, you have to go up from decimeter to decameter. 2 steps up you have to go, so you will divide it by 20, means divided by 100. So 1 decimeter is equal to 1 by 100 decameter, or 0.01 decameter. Now let us take one more example. You have to convert 6 millimeter into centimeter. Millimeter is a smaller unit, and you have to convert it into bigger unit, that is equal to centimeter. For this, you have to go 1 step up. So you have to divide it by 10. So answer will be 6 by 10 centimeter, or you can say it 0.6 centimeter. Isn't it so easy? Now you can convert so many problems easily in some minutes without learning any formula. So never forget, keh dum dasam, keh dum dasam.